Alright, this is a Chinese pin and pin and slider combo lock. It's called the DiMing. There's a double euro. I just got done cutting it, so figured I'd put it in here and see how it is to pick. I don't really have high expectations for it. A lot of these Chinese locks don't really amount to be much, but I figured I would take a chance on this one. So we will, I don't know, see what happens. So one is binding, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 cuts on the key. I don't feel a 5th pin. One feels like it's binding again. Two, 3, 4. All right. Well, it's open. I guess you don't have to set the sliders. Huh. I wasn't expecting much, but I was expecting a little bit more than that. There is sliders in there. I think you can even see them there. Go ahead and lock it back up. Right there, you can see it pushing in. There's supposed to be 4, 2 on each side, I believe, from the picture, but there was supposed to be 5 pins too. I don't know. Let's just get this thing gutted and see what's in it. That was pretty bad. Pretty bad. Take me longer to get this stupid C-clip off. Well, since it is pin and pin, I'm gonna go ahead and shim it. It's not much of a lock, but I still don't want to brick it. So, whoop, spring just fell out from the sidebar. There's the other spring. There's the sidebar, not that it did much. So there definitely is not a 5th pin. So those sliders or those I guess they're wafers. Those wafers definitely extend out without the key in there. But I definitely did not need to pick them. I don't know. It was a little disappointing, honestly. So I'll put the right side wafers here. And I'll just go ahead and dump all the pins. Might as well. Well, that was kind of dumb. The one spring came out. Here's the other one. Nothing in that fifth chamber. Looks like maybe there's a version of this that has 5 pins. This was supposed to, according to the picture. There's a slot for the sidebar, so I don't know why the sidebar did not need to be set. Looks like it just stayed in place when I pulled the key out. I don't know. Well, guess I'll figure out the order that these key pins went in. Put them back together. So the wafers didn't need to be, wafers/sliders didn't need to be picked. And as far as the driver pins, literally just went 1, 2, 3, 4, and then went back 1, 2, 3, 4, and it opened. So a little bit disappointing, but that is the DiMing pin and pin dimple lock.